Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a Bouygues SIM with its ICSID, your ID, and a phone that accepts the card. Insert the SIM into the correct slot and power on the device. This wakes the modem and prompts network registration. Once done, open Bouygues activation page or app. Make sure you use a stable Wi-Fi to avoid timeouts. You'll need to enter the ICSID and your personal details exactly as on your ID, so have that in front of you before proceeding. Now you complete the core activation form. Type the ICSID and select the SIM's associated offer or number. Carefully enter your name, address, and birth date exactly as on your ID. Mismatches slow verification. Then pick activation options, automatic now or a scheduled time if porting a number. After submission, expect an SMS or email with a confirmation code. Enter that code to confirm ownership. Make sure you also accept terms and, if asked, set a PIN for your SIM. Finish by rebooting your phone to let the network provision the SIM. Provisioning can take minutes to up to 2 hours. If you ported your number, keep the old SIM active until queued over completes. Verify mobile data by checking APN settings and that the operator name appears. If the SIM doesn't register, recheck the ICSID and confirmation code, confirm APN values, and retry a restart. If problems persist, contact Bouygues support with your ICSID and order number for
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.